long as you love me.
Perfect, 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 perfect.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I am back with another hair video, and as you can see by the title, I'm about to use the wave formers once again, and this time I'll be trying it out on my wig. I'm hoping for better results this time around, so if you're interested, keep watching. To achieve this style, I'll be using this mousse, and this is a got to be volumaniac bodifying mousse, and this is supposed to give me crazy volume and dramatic hold, so we're going to be testing it out today. In my previous video, I explained how I applied the wave formers, so I won't be doing that in this video. If you haven't seen that video, I'll have it linked right here on the screen, so go ahead and check that out.
I got blood on my hands right now, and I'm stumbling through the dark in the dawn. I have found new ways, but no, I can't be the one that you need. Then I changed my mind. Maybe we got time to make this right. Can I be the one that you need? Maybe if I change the way I love it, maybe if I try to fix this heart, then I could have stayed the night, I could have called you mine. If I change the way I love, if I change the way I love, if I change, if I change, if I change the way I love, if I change the way I love. Yeah, you know what I've done in the past. Still you say you and I, we can last. I have found new ways, but no, can I be the one that you need? Then I changed my mind. Maybe we got time.
Okay guys, so I just want to show you a little trick. I was running out of the long wave formers, so I've decided to take two of the short ones and applied it to the hook. Now you have to make sure that they're very close to each other, and then you're just gonna pass the hair through like you normally do, and when the hair comes out, it's just gonna look like a whole long wave former, if that makes any sense.
I could have stayed the night, I could have called you mine. If I change the way I change my mind, baby, we got time to make this right. Can I be the one that you need?
Guys, look at these curls. They are so defined. I have a good amount of hold. I'm so happy with how it turned out. Right now I'm separating the curls, and later you're gonna see me using my white tooth comb just to separate the curls a little bit more and add more volume to the hair.
Creeping, 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 oh so creeping, creeping. I'm creeping, 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 oh I'm creeping, creeping. I'm creeping, 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 oh so creeping, creeping. Then I changed my mind. Maybe we got time to make this right. Can I be the one that you need? Maybe if I change the way I love it, maybe if I try to fix this heart, then I could have stayed the night, I could have called you mine. If I change the way I love, if I change the way I love, if I change, if I change the way I love.
So yes guys, this is the final result. I must say this time around is a definite yes for me. The mousse did its thing. It gave me hold, it gave me volume, so I will be using that again. I hope you guys are loving these results as much as I do. If you do, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, leave a comment down below. And if you're new to my channel and you're not yet subscribed, what are you waiting for? Go ahead and subscribe. Don't forget to turn on your post notifications so you know when I post a new video. And yeah guys, I'll see you in my next one. Bye.
Right.